Tao Te Ching, chapter 32. Let me just make sure that we know what we're talking. Tao Te Ching is by Lao Tzu before Christ, maybe 300 years. And famous saying is Wu Wei, no action. I call it like a way of nature. Go back to the origin of who we are and not to lose it. And whole chapters are related to his wisdom that inspired so many people. So this is 32, chapter 32. The Tao, which is a way, cannot be perceived. You cannot feel it. Smaller than electron, it contains uncountable galaxies. You have to use the imagination. It's everywhere. If powerful men and women could remain centered in the Tao, if you have the Tao at the core, all things would be in harmony because it's how the nature manifests. No way. No action, human action, nature's way take over. Then the world would become a paradise, back to the Garden of Eden. All people would be at peace, and the law would be written in their hearts. It's coming out of the heart, manifesting. When you have names and forms in your brain, know that they are provisional. It's like on the screen, changing. When you have institutions, know where their function should end. When something happens, gathering, know where it's going to be ending. There's a reason for alive and then reason to die. Things keep on changing. Knowing when to stop, you can avoid any danger. Instead of getting trapped or caught up in the process, we need to know you can stop any moment. Then you can avoid getting into the trouble. All things end in the Tao, as rivers flow into the sea. Its origin is the Tao and end in the Tao. In between is the Tao, like a river is flowing nature's way. It's absolute. Everything is manifesting except what goes in our mind and the words and logic and confusion that we create, or delusion, and the ego gets into the way and disturbing this and that and get lost. Back to the Tao. Everything goes into the Tao as it comes out of the Tao as well. Just relax, just be as it is, absolute way of how the laws of nature, laws of universe is manifesting. We are that. Appreciate.